Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here in this left section we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's find gestures and tap on navigation mode. And as you can see here, we've got 2 different options. So obviously right now we've got the 3-button navigation. If you wish, you can customize it just by tapping on this settings icon. However, we do not have a lot of things to customize here. We can only manage hold home for assistant option. So let me go back, and if you wish to set the gestures, simply tap on gesture navigation at the top, and now you can see that instead of the 3 buttons we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. In a second I'll show you how it works. We can also enter the settings here, and we can either decide whether we want to swipe to invoke assistant or not. And here we've got the back sensitivity, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. It really depends on how you're using this device. Alright, so now the quick tutorial how to use the gestures. If you wish to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, and if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger, and the same situation from the left side. If you wish to come back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you wish to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, something like that. And after releasing here, you've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.